This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Its top features include a power driver's seat, cruise control, steering wheel controls, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 44,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Anthony Buick GMC is located at 7225 Grand Avenue in Gurnee. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.